काश अपना ध्यान रखा होता, काश मैं एक दिन और जिंदा होता। Period of 30 years, I have undertaken 20 corrective surgeries of my body. कोई बोलता है ना, ये सोता रहता है, इसको नींद आती है, सोने दो। तो अगर कोलेस्ट्रॉल नहीं होता ना, तो आप इस दुनिया में ही नहीं होते। You can reverse your fatty liver naturally. जब हम खाना नहीं खाते हैं, तो बॉडी में इंसुलिन बनेगा ही नहीं। भगवान, हाय दैया, हाय मैया, मेरा कोलेस्ट्रॉल बढ़ गया है, बीपी हो चुका है, आपको ये हो चुका है, आपकी किडनी फेलियर हो चुकी है, आपका लीवर फेल हो सकता है, बुढ़ापे में आपको भूलने की बीमारी हो जाएगी, कॉग्निटिव डिक्लाइन हो रहा है। आई वुड लाइक द ऑडियंस टू वर्क ऑन 75% इक्वेशन, डोंट ब्लेम फॉर 25%।
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू टॉक विद सुची बाय मैजिक हील। क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि 70% ऑफ इंडियंस आर फेसिंग मेटाबॉलिक इश्यूज? मेटाबॉलिक इश्यूज होते क्या हैं? More than 40% people from India are facing fatty liver. But why? है क्या ये metabolic issues? Why? You must have seen कि 80-year-old person है, he is very active versus a 40-year-old is still facing issues. What is the reason behind that? So आज का सेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आप इसमें बहुत कुछ लर्न करने वाले हैं. You will get to learn many things about your health. हम आपको एक टेस्ट भी देंगे और आपको एक डाइट चार्ट भी देंगे विच विल हेल्प यू. सो आइए जानते हैं कि मेटाबॉलिक हेल्थ एक्चुअली में होती क्या है एंड व्हाई लर्निंग अबाउट इट इज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो फॉर दिस टुडे वी आर जॉइंड बाय डॉक्टर बीरेंद्र सिंह, a healthcare educator and longevity researcher whose work focuses on metabolic health, preventive medicine and healthy aging. He is not working on कि आपको बीमारी हो गई है then he is helping you. He will help you कि कुछ आपको प्रॉब्लम हो ही नहीं. He is very passionate about his work and he is very knowledgeable. So I hope this podcast is going to help you a lot. So we welcome
Thank you
Dr.
very much,
Birendra.
and thanks for that introduction.
Thank you so much for joining and giving your precious time to us.
Thank you.
So, metabolic health, and it is like becoming a problem for many Indians, means for the whole world, I would say. But, क्या है ये metabolic health?
So basically, see, at the end of it, body has to have energy, which is a glucose,
Okay.
and then the insulin has to go in, and the entire cells of your body has to have energy. Without the energy, we're not going to be surviving.
yes.
Okay. So what happens is that with the kind of the food and the habits and the environment, the metabolic balance has to be maintained. Now, because of a number of factors that we are going to be discussing in this episode, that metabolic health gets disturbed. So it's a collection, for example, of multiple things. For example, if there is a issue with the metabolism, wherein this cycle is getting disturbed, you are getting type 2 diabetes, you are getting a BP, we call it as hypertension. Women are getting PCOS,
Right.
PCOD, which is pretty common. And then we have fatty liver, we have cancer, we have cardio diseases. And you rightly said that at this point of time, all over the world, 70 to 80%
Yes.
of the early deaths are happening because of the metabolic issues. So it's a very, very important topic that you have brought it up.
Oh, that's nice. So I think this will help many
Yes.
people here. So why are like so many issues are getting involved? Like why is this an issue these days?
Primarily, see, what happens is the metabolic issues that we talked about is directly relating with the kind of food that you are having.
Okay.
Yeah? So the food has to be the correct one. Now imagine the kind of food that we are having: pizza, burger,
Right.
refined flour, Pepsi, Fanta. Just compare this what was 50, 60 years before. We used to have a home cooked food. We used to have a proper drink. We never used to add so much pesticides which is going on as far as the cultivation is getting concerned. So there are many things which has changed over the number
Right.
of years. Too much of sugar.
Too much of sugar.
Just imagine the kind of sugar consumption we used to have 50, 60 years before versus now whatever we have. A high fructose corn syrup, the sweetening agents that we used in the baking product, biscuits, cakes, they're all fueling this metabolic issues. So the kind of the food which we had earlier, what we have right now,
Right now.
has completely changed. And that is the one sole reason it's triggering so many metabolic issues across. इतनी बीमारियां हो रही हैं.
इतने बीमारियों. People are there like fruits भी खा रहे हैं and healthy चीजें भी खा रहे हैं, but still they are facing because of the pesticide issues, I think.
Yeah, pesticide issues are there. Give me one organic fruit today. Give me one organic vegetable. Do you think you are getting it at this point of time?
Really, I
You
don't
don't have.
understand.
We are already in a kind of crisis situation. So that's what I said. Just let's compare it 50 years before versus
Right,
what we
right.
have. So these are the ones which are the actual triggers as far as the metabolic issues is concerned.
So इसका root cause हम क्या मान सकते हैं
See,
exactly?
what happens is the root cause. Let me tell you the root cause. Root cause is one signaling issue.
Okay.
One. Okay, so many medical issues, one signaling problem. And that is what we call it as insulin signaling problem. See,
Okay.
what happens is, let's understand the engineering of the body. So the God has designed, the moment we have a food intake, the glucose is released by your liver and the insulin is released by the pancreas. So the insulin has to ensure that the glucose gets inside the cell.
Okay.
All the cells have got insulin receptors. So what will happen is, aap roti dal chawal you are having when you had this, when we were 3-4 years ago, 10 years when you were there, you are still having 15-20 years. And are we eating one chapati only? Are we are eating chola bhatura also? We are having pizza and the coke and whatnot.
Whatnot.
Yeah. So what will happen is there too much of insulin secretion is happening. So the body has only got 5 grams of circulating sugar. Too much of the insulin basically forces something what we call it as insulin resistance
Okay.
over the period of time. When we are having minus 10 degree, minus 20 degree, we have to wear a pullover. We have to put up a jacket, right, to save ourselves,
Right.
because we need to stay there. Similarly, when there's too much of the processed food, too much of the glucose and too much of the insulin, the glucose secretion will happen, insulin secretion will happen. And too much of the insulin secretion, body has to save itself from an insulin overload. Now, how it is happening? The body is becoming insulin resistant. Once insulin resistance is there, the glucose is not able to do its job. If the glucose is not able to do its job, you have a lot of circulating glucose inside your body. We call this as a type 2 diabetes, right? Cancer, fatty liver, cardiac function, because then atherosclerosis process starts and you have this arteries getting jammed. So the too much of the insulin, is the one of the root causes of the metabolic issues.
बट जैसे आपने कहा कि इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस, सो ये किस एज से स्टार्ट होती है? फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मुझे मेरी डायबिटीज़ ठीक आ रही है, मैं टेस्ट कराया, सो मेरे को भी क्या इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस हो सकता है?
देखिए, यही हम बहुत बड़ी मिस्टेक
हाँ
करते
जी।
हैं। मिस्टेक हम क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि हम क्या करते हैं कि हम सिम्टम्स को किल करते हैं। जब आप मॉर्निंग में आपने ब्लड शुगर लिया, टिपिकल 100 होती है, आपको 130 आई, 150 आई, 180 आई, और आप HbA1c चेक कराते हैं, विच इज ग्लाइकोसिलेटेड हीमोग्लोबिन, 3 मंथ्स का एवरेज होता है, 5.7 के ऊपर है तो आपको डायबिटीज़ कहते हैं डॉक्टर,
हाँ जी।
है ना? तो अब क्या है कि वो एक टेस्ट है जब डैमेज हो चुका होता है। एक देयर इज अ सेइंग इन इंग्लिश कि देयर इज नो नीड ऑफ क्राइंग ओवर द स्प्लिट मिल्क, द डैमेज हैज ऑलरेडी बीन डन। द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग is to understand that there is a proactive testing which has to be done.
Okay.
And you can be diabetic or you can be metabolically sick 10 years prior to it shows on your glucometer.
Okay. So it starts very early.
10 years before your diabetes starts.
Means a person at 40, he get his sugar checked and it's all right.
And
So-
still he can be diabetic.
Oh.
Yeah. So for that, what we suggest is, again, as I told you in the beginning, that we have a too much of the insulin secretion.
Right.
And too much of the insulin basically is responsible for a number of multiple issues. So what will happen is that, and this happens over the period of time.
Right.
We are not talking about type 1 diabetes. In type 2 diabetes, you have still insulin produced by your pancreas.
Okay.
So what will happen is, once you are insulin resistant, how do we know that I'm getting insulin resistance? By testing insulin levels.
Okay.
Now, to test insulin levels, I would suggest to the audience that please get the 2 tests done.
Okay.
One is HOMA-IR,
Okay.
HOMA, HOMA-IR. IR stands for insulin resistance, and one is the fasting insulin.
Okay. That will show the correct.
Correct parameters.
Parameters.
And if there is a deviation, and if it's an elevation, which means you are already having a too much of a high insulin index foods,
Okay.
right? So when it's happening and it starts showing,
Okay.
and if these parameters are beyond control, okay, then there is a problem statement. So better start controlling. If you don't control, high insulin will eventually lead into insulin resistance.
Yeah.
जैसे ठंड बहुत ज़्यादा पड़ती है, हम ठंड से रेजिस्टेंस करते हैं, तो बॉडी उस तरीके से बहुत ज़्यादा इंसुलिन होने से इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस हो जाती है, विच इज़ योर डायबिटीज़. जब इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस हमको 10 साल पहले पता चल गया, तो आई कैन करेक्ट माई फूड एंड डाइट एंड एवरीथिंग. नो,
Right.
नहीं तो 10 साल बाद तो हमको शुगर होना ही होना है. आज एवरी सेकंड और थर्ड पर्सन इज हैविंग अ शुगर प्रॉब्लम.
Sugar problem.
So that's a problem statement.
So insulin resistance से हमें सिर्फ शुगर इश्यूज आते हैं और it can lead to some other.
Yes,
Things
you
also.
have a fatty liver.
Okay.
आपका brain fog है. You have a kind of weight gain. Weight बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है. Weight कम नहीं होता है. There are central adiposity. आपके जो एक visceral fat होता है अंदर organs पे, वो जमा हो जाता है. Then in the woman we have PCOS, PCOD.
Okay, that is also because of this.
Yes, we
So
have.
PCOD, I have seen people getting like in early ages, like in their 20s.
Yes, 20s. Last week I saw a report of a 14-year-old girl
Oh.
having a PCOD problem. So again, I would like to tell to the audience that the root cause of PCOS and PCOD is again insulin resistance.
Oh.
And this is something which used to happen in 30 years, 40 years.
Right.
Type 2 diabetes एक हम देखें 10-20 साल पहले भी, एक 30-40 साल के बाद होता है, तब जाके होता
हाँ,
था.
maybe after 50s it used to be.
क्योंकि उस समय जाके बॉडी गिव अप कर देती
Give
थी.
up करती है.
अब क्या होता है, बॉडी पिज्जा और पेस्ट्री और स्विगी और जोमेटो है. आई एम सॉरी, आई एम नॉट अगेंस्ट इट, बट जो काइंड ऑफ
Right.
फूड दैट यू आर
Right.
गिविंग, अ फास्ट फूड is taking you to the faster insulin resistance. You have to understand the fact. A fast food correlate with the faster insulin resistance. Look at the diet of the young kids. Sugar all the way, right? This is the problem statement. So that's the reason that young girl has got a PCOS and PCOD. And that's causing multiple issues in the woman's body. You will better understand this. Yeah.
I also think कि refined जो हमारे oil है, refined oil, ये भी एक बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है.
Yes.
And we researched about it.
Yeah.
हम लोग बहुत सारे hotels में गए. Even we went to 5-star hotels and we asked them which oil they're using. So everybody is using refined oil. So कई बार हम सोचते हैं कि हम यहाँ पे अच्छा healthy food ले रहे हैं, but we are not getting that.
Yeah, you have brought a good point. Refined oil is another big problem
Right,
statement.
right.
See, what happens is, we have omega-3s, which is having a lot of benefit. We talk about that one should have a omega-3 index of like 8% or higher. And that's the reason the Japanese live higher in the life. Similarly, let's talk about, the refined oils. So refined oils are very, very high source of omega-6. What happens is, we are a cellular body, right? Everything is made of the cells. Once the omega-6 gets into your cells, the half-life of omega-6, I'm talking about half-life, is, make a note of this number, 680 days. 680 days is like nearly 2 years. It rots every cell of your body, and the refined oils, I would like the audience to make a note of it, is more inflammatory than sugar,
Right.
anything. The most inflammatory molecule in your body is refined oils. वो जो बाहर जाके आप टिक्की खा रहे हो ना, समोसा 3-3 बार जो तेल में चल रहा है, वो वहाँ तो
तीन ही बहुत बार चल रहा है.
बहुत बार चल रहा है. वो जो समोसा पहले तो आप देख रहे हो फ्राई हो रहा है ना, आपकी बॉडी भी वैसे ही फ्राई करता है अंदर.
Right.
So you have to understand that.
So how do we fix this issue? Like many people are facing it. तो हम उसको में ऐसा क्या कर सकते हैं कि लोग अपने आप को पहले से ही प्रिवेंटिव केयर करके सेव कर सके. एंड आई ऑल्सो बिलीव इसके पीछे एक चीज़ और है कि when we are in 20s or 30s,
Right.
we think कि अरे हमें तो बीमारी टच करेगी ही नहीं. We
Right,
are
right.
all fine and हमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी.
Right.
सब कुछ खाते हैं, अरे अभी नहीं खाएंगे तो कब खाएंगे. तो ये जो मेंटालिटी है लोगों की, हम ये कैसे कम करें और इस प्रॉब्लम को फिक्स कर पाए.
See, सबसे पहले बात मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि शुरुआत कहाँ से होती है. शुरुआत खाने से होती है. किसी का सॉल्यूशन आपके पेरेंट्स और ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स है, उनकी लाइफस्टाइल से देखिए. समय पे उठना, समय पे सोना, घर का खाना खाना. उस समय कहाँ पिज़्ज़ा बर्गर और ये हल्दीराम और ये जोमेटो स्विगी होते थे. घर का खाना, लाइफस्टाइल, सुबह उठना,